How to fix we ran into an issue while signing you in on ChatGPT. So while logging into ChatGPT, if you're facing a problem while logging in, then what you need to do is, for example, if you search for ChatGPT and if you go for the first search, it will take you to this kind of page, right? So if you're facing a problem and if it says that we ran into an issue with signing you in, then what you need to do is you need to simply reload your page. You can reload by simply swiping that to the bottom, and again you can reload your page 2 to 3 times. Once you've reloaded, you can again go for the login page and then again try to log into your account. But even after doing that, if you're not being able to log in, then you need to go back and you can open up your browser. So I'll be choosing a Chrome browser. Once you've opened, go for the upper right, which has that 3 dots, and then you can choose new incognito tab. Once you've chosen, now you can search for ChatGPT and now you can try to log into your account. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to simply restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.